In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on PayPal without needing to provide identification. Whether you've recently had a minor name change or a misspelling that you'd like to correct, I'm here to guide you through the process painlessly and efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. It's best to do this on a computer for ease of use, though a mobile browser will work if that's what you have available. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. This is usually in the top right corner and often looks like a small gear. Clicking on it will take you to your account settings, where many of your personal details are stored and managed. On the account settings page, you'll see various tabs. You are going to want to navigate to the one that labels it as Account Info. Here, PayPal groups all the key information that is associated with your account. In this tab, you should see a section labeled Name. Click on this section to proceed to change your name. A new page will open where you're given the opportunity to alter your personal information. What we're focusing on today is changing your name without using any ID. Here, you'll need to provide a reason for the name change. Choose an option that most accurately reflects your situation. This could be as simple as a spelling error or a preference change. Now, it's time to make sure that your new name is entered correctly into the provided fields. Double-check for any typos or errors. Remember, accurate input here saves you the trouble of doing this process again. PayPal uses the name you provide for all transactions and communications, so precision is crucial. Once you've made the changes, you'll need to submit your request. At this stage, PayPal may notify you that changes can take a few days to review, even without the need for identification. This is just a verification step to ensure all changes align with their security protocols. While you wait, you can still use your PayPal account as usual. However, keep an eye on your email, as you'll receive a notification once your name change has been processed. If any complications arise, PayPal customer service is available to assist. I recommend contacting them through the help section on their site if you need direct support. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your name on PayPal without needing any identification. This process keeps your account up to date, which is helpful for consistency in your financial dealings. I hope you found this guide simple and helpful, ensuring you can move through PayPal's systems with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing for more guides and tips.